Hey, welcome back to a new video. How y'all doing? Hope you're all well. We've left it a bit late in the day today. We've kind of just been chilling out in the morning. Then we've been out in the fields playing with Rocky. But we've left the doors open on the van, trying to dry out the back, and it's pretty much dry now. At least the floor is anyway. So what we're going to do is rust kill it all. So I've just got some Rustin's rust converter from Tool Station. I think we got it from.
Yep.
I think it was like $7.25 or something like that for a bottle. Then we've got a wire brush to scrub it all down, knock any loose paint or anything like that off, and obviously a paintbrush to apply the rust converter. But we're going to do that tonight because then we can leave it overnight, and then tomorrow we can come back, as long as it's not raining, we can come back and actually start painting the floor. So as soon as that's painted and all the sides and stuff like that, it's all done, then obviously we can actually go to Wicks, get all the stuff for the floor and start building it out. So this is an important job. Luckily it isn't too bad in there, and there's only like some little bits of surface rust, and from when we washed it out the other day, it's already starting to rust a little bit, like just a little bit of orange oxidization on top. Nothing too major, but again, just a quick rub down with the wire brush and then go over it with the actual rust converter and then leave it overnight. So it shouldn't take us too long to do that.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel.
Alright, so now I've give it all a rub down with the wire brush, at least from like here backwards. I'm going to do it in sections because I don't know how much I'm going to get done tonight. So I've just scrubbed down to like here, but now I've done that, I'm just going to rust kill this portion here, and then after I've done that, we'll look at the time because dinner is cooking. Then I might do this bit and then do that bit. I'm just going to do it in stages, so at least after I've rubbed it all down I can rust kill it and not have to like leave it overnight, then have to rub it down again in the morning.
El pastel, con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que el amor.
Right, so I managed to actually rust kill the whole inside of the van. The only things I haven't done is the side door and the two rear barn doors. I haven't done them yet. I'm going to do them tomorrow now because it's really dark. Even with the lights that I've got in here, it's still really dark. And because obviously I'm going to be shutting them and stuff, I need to give them a little wipe down and stuff tomorrow as well. So I'm going to leave them until tomorrow. But I'll give you a quick look around and show you how much there was. Because there was loads of just little tiny bits. Again, nothing major, mainly just a bit of surface rust. Well, all just surface rust. And some of it was just bare metal, so I just brushed over it anyway just to make sure. Especially because obviously we jet washed in here the other day, so it was kind of a little bit from that. But let me flip the camera around and I'll show you how much there was. Right, so you can kind of see where I've been. You can see all the little black spots. So they're not too bad. Oh, just to say that the light's gone. Hold on, let me swap lights. Swap lights. There we go. So yeah, all them little spots that you can see. There you go. Are all the little spots. Mainly it was just kind of on the beams. So just around the wheel arches at the bottom on these two beams. That was the main spots. At the back as well, there's a few big bits where it was mainly paint missing. Not as much rust, but yeah, look at that. Just proper converting it all over so that there shouldn't be any issues with any of that. But it's a good job done. But like I say, so that's a good job done. Nothing too major, but tomorrow we can come back in here, actually paint over the rust like that I've done today, and then do the doors as well, and then we might shoot off the Wicks and pick up the flooring, because then we can get on with the flooring. But for today, that's it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.